안녕 최봉구. 안녕.
My plave membership game, so let's unbox it together. Ta-da! Alright, okay, so this is the outer box of my card here. Wait, let me just... It's so pretty. Wait, let me see the bag. Oh, okay, Yo, 왜 이렇게 귀엽지? We are the world. Oh, our mascot, the play mascot, just got cuter in this one. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, it says Plave Global Fan Club. Oh, the logos are so cute. Plave and play. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, I'm sorry. Why is it so pink? Wait, this is like the pinkiest thing I've ever had. I'm just gonna straight up look at the poster first. Oh wow! Oh my god! 잠깐만. 과자 너무 심한데? 오, 최봉구 미친 거 아니야? I'm gonna take out everything first because it's just too pink right now. There's a lot of pink situation going on right now. I'm not really kind of a pink person, even though my body is bumpy. I don't know why. Yeah, okay. No hate for pink though. So, I believe this is the photo cards. Oh, passport. Okay. I'm gonna open this one first, which I don't know what this is, but okay. Oh, 뭐야 이게? What is this? Oh, Bambi show. Jaeger box. This is the school. This is where the radio happens, I guess. Okay. I don't know what this is, but it's cute. Okay. And then we have Aserum City Guidebook. Oh, everything is so pink. Wait, we don't have stickers in this one. For real? But it's okay. Oh, 귀여워. 너무 귀여운데? Introducing our guides. Yejun, Noah, Bambi, Eno, and Hamin. So this is the map. Okay. 이거 나중에 읽어야겠다. 귀엽다. I'm gonna read the details later. Next we have our passport. So pretty. Oh, 귀여운데? It's like a real passport. It's a heart. I love it. And then we have this transparent receipt. 귀여워. 귀여운데? 아니 잠깐만. 이게 뭐야? 이게 뭐냐고? 왜 이렇게 귀엽냐고? 귀여워. And lastly, we have the photo cards. Woo. Wow, there's a lot. I didn't remember how many photo cards we. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys one by one, okay? Wait. Why is it sticking together? 잠깐만요. Why is it sticking together? No. Okay. 모임? I'm gonna show you one by one, okay? 니들 왔어? Welcome. 아스테룸 입구. 귀여워. 아스테룸에 온 걸 환영해. 왜 이렇게 귀여워? 어서 오세요. 오는데 안 힘들었어? 잠깐만. 오케이. 잘 왔어, 플리야. Wait. I think I noticed something. It's supposed to be like welcome, plea. 어서 오세요. 기다리고 있었습니다. 귀여워. 어떡해. 너무 귀여워. 우리 집 칭찬 고양이. 귀엽다. 왜 이렇게 이뻐? Oh my god, he's so pretty. What the heck? 생각보다 아늑한데? 귀여워. 최봉구. 너무 좋아. 뭐가? 뭐가 좁은데? 시라브케 왔다감. 오케이 시라브케. 귀엽다. 보기보다 괜찮답니다. 귀여워. This is insane. This is insane. 섹시 도벨만. 오케이. 섹시 도벨만. 오. 병아리. 갑자기? 병아리가 왜 여기서 나와? 레몬이 다 된 복숭아. 아닌데 그냥 복숭아인데. 귀여워. He's cute, but he's like handsome, but he's like also cute. But he's handsome and also cute. I don't know, man. Oh, CWK. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it now. I get it. And let's say 제규어 한 마리 나가신다. Not 제규어. It's a kitten. Oh, I really love this one though. So yeah, this is my membership kit. I'm so glad it came safely. Yeah. Anyways, let's put this in this list. I'm gonna put them in my binder. Bongo. And then the other 4 members. So my Momemimu Momemimu is here, so let's open this up. 제가 뭐 샀냐면 So I got Mima and moi, and then Mima Kirin, and hair accessory. What was it? Deer hood hat and alpaca hood hat. This is for Mima, and this is for moi. And then this is the photo card bag. I bought this to match the minimum purchase. To get this POB. Should we see the POB first? 뭐야? 너가 사왔어? 뭐야? 근데 왜 이렇게 됐지? It's 근데 너무 이뻐. Isn't he so pretty? So actually I only bought this, but then my friend decided to add on this thing because she was helping me buying this merch, and she decided to add on this alpaca hat as my birthday present. My birthday was in March, which is during this pre-order period. So yeah. 아니 근데 잠깐만. 진정하자. Let's take these babies out. 왜 이렇게 덥지? 엄마. 야. 미쳤. 아 미쳤어. 아 미친 거 아니야? 이거 I think there's magnet here. Let's try. 응? Diggy. 스니퍼드. 스니퍼드 끝. 오케이. 자, 아쿠라 사쿠라기를. So I got this during the second pre-order, and I believe during the first and even this one, there was a lot of problem with the finishing details and everything. So let's check them one by one. 너무 이뻐요. 뭐야? Except for this thing, there's like this thread here. I don't know. I'm gonna need to trim a little bit here so that we can see his little mouth. 귀여워. And for Mima, 괜찮은 것 같은데. I don't think there's any problem with him. So yeah. 귀여운데? Let's try. Why is it kind of big though? 바보 같아. Wait, it's so big on him. 호호. 아 귀여워. 미친 것 같아. 어떡해? They look like 바보. 얼굴이 바보가. So small. And lastly, the PC. I don't even remember what photos are this. That's she. Okay. Oh, 뭐야? Oh. This is my first time saying this actually. So, yeah, to me. 잠깐만. 미안해 얘들아. Noah. So pretty. He's so pretty. 뻥그. 귀엽냐? 노노. And 하민이. 잘생겼네. And the POV is Noah. I'm gonna check if there's any. 괜찮은 것 같고, 근데 살짝 이렇게 됐어요. 괜찮아. I can just like put it in between books or something, right? So it's okay. Yeah, I don't really care. So yeah, this is everything I got from the Happy Plave Day pop-up MD. I don't know, but yeah. 귀여워. My babies.